All right, everyone, today's topic is weight loss. Specifically, we're talking about the best foods to eat for weight loss. First, protein. It is a really common misconception out there that protein is only for weight gain. It's not. Protein is basically just another source of calories in our body. And in general, protein is good because it fills you up and it keeps you full for a long time. You'll find protein in most animal products like meat, dairy, and seafood. You can also get protein from plants, like in beans and seeds, soy and peas. So one reason protein is so good for us when we are trying to lose weight is because it is a key component in muscle repair and recovery. If you're trying to lose weight, making sure you're eating enough protein is the best way to start. Now, I know it might sound counterproductive to eat more of something to lose weight, but here's what I mean. When we are looking where our calories are coming from in a day, they're coming from protein, carbohydrate, or fat. And many people eat plenty of carbohydrates. It's usually the case that people are actually eating too many carbohydrates. And if I eat more carbohydrates than I need, my body stores it as energy for later. So our body stores it as glycogen in our fat cells. And as this occurs over and over and over again, this is when we gain weight. So in order to lose weight, we want to burn those stored fat cells. And the best way to do this is by decreasing our carbohydrate intake. But if we decrease carbohydrates too much, we stop giving our body the calories it has been used to for eating for so long, and we'll be hungry all the time. And then we're setting ourselves up for failure because no healthy diet is actually sustainable when it leaves you feeling hungry all the time. So instead of just starving yourself and trying to lose a little bit of weight, look at calories from another source. Look at getting calories from protein. So a general rule of thumb is to eat roughly 0.7 grams of protein per pound of your body weight. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you're getting about 70 grams of protein. If you're a 200-pound person, you need about 140 grams of protein every single day. And that is just a base number. If you are working out, especially if you're strength training, you'll want to increase that number even more. It's going to help you rebuild and repair your muscles. And this also helps keep your metabolism working quickly, which will help you burn all those fat cells for energy while your body is recovering from that strength training session. So protein is your best friend when you're trying to lose weight. A lot of protein sources are also really low in sugar. I'm thinking about things like chicken and turkey and beef and fish. These high protein, low carbohydrate foods are great for regulating your blood sugar. They don't cause huge spikes in insulin, so it won't leave you craving sugar, which makes your healthy eating plan way easier to stick to. So protein is the number one thing to focus on eating when you're trying to lose weight. It's so important to get protein in at every meal, and this includes breakfast. The easiest three options I always go for are eggs, Greek yogurt, or a plant-based protein powder in oatmeal or a smoothie. So that's protein. Absolutely my top recommendation for weight loss. Next up, fiber. I have talked a lot about fiber before, but fiber is found in plants, and fiber is actually the part of plants that our body does not digest. So it moves through our system with volume, making us feel full and satisfied. And some fiber will actually attach itself to cholesterol molecules in our gut and remove that cholesterol from our body. Fiber is also the main source of energy for trillions of bacteria in our gut. And the bacteria in your gut can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. And while inflammation is not directly correlated to weight loss, it's important for your body to be in a balance in order for you to make sustainable and lasting changes to your weight. If you keep inflammation down, that can reduce the confusing signals that your body sends to let you know that something is not right. Those signals are often confused for cravings or hunger and can really throw off your diet or your food plan. So fiber is your friend when you're losing weight for various reasons. The best sources of fiber are whole grains like oats, beans, legumes, Brussels sprouts, and many other leafy greens, and also flax seeds. Fiber is also available in supplement form, but there is only a little bit of evidence as to whether this is actually as effective as naturally occurring fiber when you get it from eating whole foods. So the bottom line is increasing fiber-rich foods is a great way to keep yourself feeling full, and it'll reduce the risk of digestive issues that can derail your weight loss plan. All right, so another food to consider when losing weight is avocados, and I love avocados. They are versatile, they're delicious, they're packed with nutrients and minerals for good overall health. Now, this does not mean that eating an avocado a day will make you lose weight. Avocados are a fat, which is much higher in calories by volume than carbohydrates or protein. But because it is a fat, it helps you feel full for much longer. So it actually takes your body over twice as long to process the fat in avocado as it does to process carbohydrates. So not only is the fat a slower processing food in your digestive system, but avocados are also high in fiber. And we just talked about the benefits of fiber. So you know that fiber fills you up and it reduces inflammation. So avocados are basically working double time to help you stay full and reduce cravings. Not only that, but it will keep your sugar levels low and avoid insulin spikes to cause those diet destroying sugar cravings. So definitely adding half an avocado on your salads or with a grilled chicken breast or even like on lettuce wraps or in tacos, it's a great way to help you lose weight. Next, let's talk about water. So obviously water isn't a food and it might seem like a cop-out or an unfair answer, but water is so important in weight loss, and not just because it has 0 calories, but your body needs to get enough water to remain in balance and successfully lose weight. If you're dehydrated, your digestive system cannot function properly and your metabolism won't work efficiently either. And this will have negative effects on your weight loss efforts. It's also pretty common for us to mistake that dehydration signal from our body as a hunger signal. Our body can't always tell the difference between the two. And so drinking enough water throughout the day, it'll lessen the amount of red flags that your body is throwing out. And this just helps with overall staying on track and keeping to your weight loss plan. The less drastic or extreme situations we put our body in, the better. This includes your water intake. So keep your body hydrated and your body will remain happy and in balance. So we covered a lot today. Our first food group for weight loss was protein. Specifically, stick with chicken, ground turkey, lean red meat, seafood, and eggs. Next, we want to focus on fiber. Eat more leafy greens, oats, flax seeds, and vegetables to stay full and keep your gut happy and healthy. Next, avocados in moderation gives you healthy fats and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. And lastly, we talked about the importance of water in our diet to help us lose weight. So let me know what you think about all that in the comments below. Be well, everybody, and I'll see you next time.